Responding to all, my topic is gesture recognition. As I discussed in my previous presentation, the topics were introduction or gesture recognition technology, why we use the gesture recognition, types of what are the types are there with gesture recognition, then how the hand gesture recognition is done, and then I showed an application for gesture recognition for hands. Today I am going to discuss about speech recognition implementation of. I will show a demo for speech recognition. Then future scope is a future technology for which prototype is available now, but it's not available in the market. Then as the question is that why I included speech recognition in gestures. As I said in my previous presentation, that gestures are body movement or hand movement by which we can communicate with each other. So we are using that gesture to communicate with the computer. But why I am using this speech recognition? Actually, that using the gestures only, we can't fully communicate with the computer, because as example, that if we want to write any text, we can't able to write the text using our gestures. So we can use their speech. So to complete a gesture recognition system, we need to understand the speech recognition also. So what is the speech recognition? The ability of a machine to program identify words or phrases in spoken language and convert them to a machine readable format. So according to speech, the machine can work. So there can be two kinds of speech. One is continuous speech and one is discrete speech. Continuous is in the sense of dictation, and discrete is the system controls. By giving some commands, we can control the system. So how does the speech recognition work? So first we have to recognize the speech. Then some training is needed. Then we need corrections and command control. What is training is that every person having different action, or every region people speaks in different actions, and even a single person also he can pronounce a single word in different ways. So in correction, so the training is needed for train our system, that's how we speak. Then the correction is needed sometimes when we speak, and the speech recognition system can recognize the words or a sentence wrongly, so we have to correct it. Then command and control, there are some command and control for the speech recognition already in the speech recognition database, which we have to learn. How this works? First recognition. First, there is voice input. You have to say anything to the computer microphone. Then whatever we will say, it will be in analog. So we have to convert it into digital. There is a specific model. That is by this model only we can convert this speech into any machine level language, machine understandable format. The speech engine will connect this commands, our speech commands, to the to whatever work we want to do. Then it will show the display and feedback. Feedback actually, that as I said, that any correction is needed, then we have to teach our system that how we speak. So the feedback module gives the feedback to the speech engine. That's how we speak. So as I said in modeling, that spoken word, like here we speak I think there are. So now these words are converted into phonemes. What is phonemes is that if the fast Fourier transformation algorithm is used here to analyze every 1/100 seconds of spoken word. So as we said here, I think there are. So it can be converted into phonemes like this. I can be say as I, then it can be converted into phonemes like this. It's a intermediate language, you can say, phoneme, that in which we can understand that how we speak. So what the speech engine do is that each phoneme has a feature number in our system. It connects our speech phoneme and the machine. In the machine there are some databases in which the phonemes are stored. So, and for each phoneme stored in the machine have a feature number. So it connects and compares this two phonemes. So there is a code book is there. In the code book, as I said, the database is there. It's called the code book where the default phonemes are stored. Then when a process goes, then the speech engine system converts each word. Then it combines each word into a sentence. For that we use Markov model. Like here, two lines are there: recognize speech, and another line is rec a nice speech. If you pronounce these two lines, sounds identical, but these two lines have a different meaning. Recognize speech, recognize speech, recognize speech. So in the Markov model, we can differentiate that. So this was the speech technology. At the end of my presentation, I will show example of how this integration works. The second technology, which is the future scope, which I said as an introduction, that is the demo is available for that. Prototype is available. It is a system technology, you can say. It's a system device. So this is the wearable gesture interface that augments the physical world around us with digital information, and let us use natural hand gestures to interact with that information. And it is developed by Pradhan Mistry, who is a PhD student in Interface group in MIT. It displays the intangible fact that in our system, whatever you are using is intangible. So what the 6sense device do is it projects the intangible interfaces to any wall or anything, so that we can interact with it more easily. Then it's very small, and it consists of a projector, a mirror, and a camera. So why we call it the 6th sense? By our 5 senses, we can sense our surroundings, but nowadays, the digital world is very attached to us, to every person. So the augmented reality, you can say, is a need for every person. So here we introduce this device, which is called the 6sense, which can work as a bridge between the digital and our real world. So these are the components of the device: camera, projector, mirror, mobile component, and color marker. This is the camera. The working of camera is to capture the objects and tracks. Actually, it captures the video in very slow pattern, and it monitors each action it is seeing. And after capturing the video, it immediately sends it to the smartphone, which is connected to the device. So the projector is used for projecting whatever output we are seeing, we want to see. Here the freedom is that we can project to anything, any wall or any paper also. So there is no need of any display. So and it's having a 3 hours battery backup also. So there is a mirror is used. Actually, this projector is projected in downward. So if you want to project project the projection in our control, we use this mirror. By using this mirror, we can project anywhere. So smartphone is needed with the web access, because web access is very important for any digital. These color markers are used when we are using this device. We have to put a color markers on our fingers so that the webcam, so that it helps the webcam to recognize our gestures. So how this works? So actually the camera captures the images, then it sends to the smartphone. In smartphone, you have to install some applications. The applications are for this device. The applications are developed in Java, and then the smartphone it's having many applications. Like the one application is used for processing the images. So by processing the images, we can understand what is the user want to instruct us. Then any other program can be run which can connect to the internet. Then another program is developed which sends data to the projector. Then whatever the output will come, it will send the data to the projector, and the projector will project the image into the mirror, and the mirror will send the information to any service. So some application I am going to see. You can see here. Here we can see that this person is dialing in number on the hand. Also we can project. So he is dialing in number and press the call. The camera is detecting that where that finger is touched, and it works as it does. And then check the time. By this gesture, we can display any watch on our hand. This is the actually here what the camera is doing. The camera is recognizing the headlines of a paper, and it's searching the video feeds from the internet and displays it on the paper. So we can see the multimedia very interactively. So we can draw anywhere. In any wall we can project and we can start drawing. More interestingly, if you are in the library, if you pick up any book and see its cover, what the camera is doing, it's capturing the front page and it's sending to the phone. The phone is searching the data in the internet and it's showing the Amazon rating and any article and any pictures available, any voice, anything, any data available from the internet, it's showing. For checking tickets, we have to place the ticket in front of camera, checking the tickets, it's confirmed or not, or what is the position of flight or train. As you think that this person is going to anywhere, it's portable, and by doing the gesture, we can take portable. The camera recognizes the gesture and taking portable. After this, for document processing, what the camera is doing is recognize the gesture and it took the picture of that and projecting here. Now if you want to take in a document, it's copying the document, capturing the document, taking here. Now if you want to edit, we can edit also. And now if you want to print the document, just press the print. And by this way we can edit our documents more interactively. So entertainment, you can see movies anywhere, you don't need any display in it. And more interestingly, you can play games. without using any gamepad or any keyboards. By our movements, it can recognize what we are doing. So, as we conclude that the gesture application is the future of human-computer interface, because the technology is increasing very vastly, so we have to interact with the computer very interactively, so that we can fetch more information as soon as we can. Because the internet is full of information, and by gesture recognition we can fetch this information very rapidly or very interactively. Today I want to show one example. This Gmail motion is the product manager of Gmail. So what Gmail did is that he is saying that we are using the Gmail or web by our previous keyboards and mouse. So Gmail planned to modify it using gesture. So they are using the same features, camera and different gestures. As if you want to open a mail, do like this, it will open a mail. If you want to reply, do like this, it will reply. Or reply to all. Then if you want to send a mail, send a mail.
We have to learn dance. Dance शिखते हो Gmail करते
Yeah,
हो.
you can write also. Just like this, you are thinking. So this is available in last minute. Department. It's available in, you can check it out in gmail.com/motion. You can try this application. Yeah. So I want to ask a question that how many people are eager here and want to rush to their home and try this application? Raise your hands. So I'm very happy to inform you that I made you all a free food. Actually, Google, this video was from Google to make us a free first April. But the thing is that Google said that this is for the free food, but they will implement this in future.
জিমেল করতে গেলে এখন ডান্স শিখতে হবে। জিমেল করতে গেলে এখন ডান্স শিখতে হবে।
দুর্দান্ত দিয়েছে সবাইকে প্রথম ডাইরেক্ট ভিডিও
not for Unix alone.